Let's get you all the updates you need to know on the bird flu scare. There is an outbreak that has led to an alert being issued across the nation. Working on an overdrive, the Union Health Ministry has deployed teams in Kerala and in Haryana. The centre has also set up a control room in the capital to keep a watch on the situation and to take stock of the control measures undertaken by state authorities. So far, the government has identified 12 epicenters of the outbreak in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and in Kerala. Apart from that, the centre has urged other states to keep a vigil on any unusual mortality among birds in a bid to prevent the possibility of the spread of avian flu to humans. In Rajasthan, several crows were found dead in various parts of Jaipur. As far as Kerala goes, the government has announced compensation for the culling of domestic birds, being done really as a precautionary measure. Karnataka has stopped the transport of poultry and birds from Kerala in a bid to prevent any outbreak. The centre has urged people to ensure that they properly cook meat before consumption and sanitize hands properly after touching meat.
From Himachal Pradesh to Kerala, at least 8 states are in the grip of H5N1, avian influenza or the bird flu. The centre has identified 12 epicenters of the outbreak in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Kerala, where hundreds of birds have been found dead.
देशी मेहमान पक्षी जिसे कहते हैं माइग्रेटरी बर्ड, उनके द्वारा ये फैलता है और अभी तक बत्तख में केरल में फैला है। ज़्यादातर वाइल्ड जो पक्षी हैं, कौवे हैं, अन्य पक्षियां हैं, उसमें ये फैला है।
States are on alert. Down south in Kerala, the administration has ordered culling of ducks and chicken. The state government has also decided to provide compensation to poultry farmers affected by the crisis. Tamil Nadu has increased surveillance along its borders with Kerala. Disinfectants are being sprayed on vehicles coming from Kerala. The vehicles carrying livestock are being sent back. Karnataka too has decided to stop transport of poultry and birds from Kerala. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister convened an emergency meet on Wednesday to take stock.
कहीं भी पोल्ट्री में, खाने वाले पक्षी में, मुर्गी में, चिकन में कोई भी वायरस नहीं पाया गया। कोई वायरस कहीं पाया ही नहीं गया तो क्यों बैन लगेगा? बैन नहीं है। सीमावर्ती राज्यों में यदि ऐसे राज्यों से मुर्गी आ रही है तो उसकी निगरानी रखी जाए।
Punjab has alerted officials to keep tabs on any official deaths of migratory birds and poultry in the state. In Ahmedabad, birds in zoos are being monitored. Authorities are spraying disinfectants to ensure the birds are safe. Meanwhile, experts allay people's fears, ruling out the possibility of transmission of flu via thoroughly cooked food.
If we thoroughly cook the chicken or you can say meat, then we can eat it. The only thing is that we need to take care that when we bring meat, we follow the proper hygiene practices. We do not mix the raw meat and the cooked meat, and the utensils which we are using, they need to be kept separately.
In the midst of the pandemic, cases of bird flu have added to the worries of the states. The central government has asked the states to take all the steps to contain the spread while urging the people not to panic. With video journalist Dilip Sahu, this is Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh for India Today.
And let's take this across to Manjeet Sehgal, who's joining us live from Chandigarh. Manjeet, good morning. The centre has now stepped in, issuing a detailed advisory to states. If you could just break down what the government has said so far.
Good morning, Akshita. Well, the central government has also sent some multidisciplinary teams in Haryana where resampling is being done in over 20 farms located in Raipur Rani area of Panchkula district. Resampling was done after the regional disease diagnostic laboratory based in Jalandhar had found that the samples sent by the animal husbandry department by the earlier were insufficient. So now resampling is being done, and only then the authorities will be able to tell the cause behind the unusual death of these poultry farm birds. As far as the neighboring Himachal Pradesh is concerned, so far the 23 migratory birds have died, but nearly 500 poultry birds were dumped in a place in Solan district. The samples has also been drawn and the state government is awaiting the reports. In neighboring Punjab also, alert has been sounded and officials have been asked to report if unusual death of any type of bird takes place. As far as the advisory is concerned, the government officials and doctors in particular have advised people not to go close to the birds who died under mysterious circumstances and to report any death to the authorities concerned or the wildlife officials.
All right, Manjeet, we'll keep coming to you for the latest updates. For the moment, thank you for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.